Hello guys, Mac Detono po tayo ng sounds the local ng Mabini Santo Domingo.
Yan yung wala, bro. Yan yung wala. Pagka, oh yan yung tunog niya pag wala. Ito yung meron.
On July 22nd, 2025, the Ecclesiastic Episcopal Church of Christ commemorated its 111th anniversary. On July 26, 2025, in commemoration of the Church's anniversary, the Executive Minister of the Church of Christ, Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, officiated a Thanksgiving worship service to God in the local congregation of Templo Central, Ecclesiastical District of Central. Church members in different parts of the world witnessed this worship service.
Maganda pa nga sana kung may isa pa eh.
During the homily, the executive minister announced the theme of all the church's activities for its 111th anniversary. No matter what happens, let us serve our Almighty God for us to attain salvation.
Pagkatapos ng malalasan ng bagyong Krising nitong mga nakaraang araw, naging tuloy-tuloy ang sa kasalukuyan ang pagbuhos